Hello everybody, in this sessions we are going to study about surface area and volume. What is surface area? What is volume? What are the types of surface area? What are the tricks to learn surface area and volume formula, and what are the benefits of it? First one, surface area. Surface area is nothing, is just an area classified by two types. One for curved surface area, another one for total surface area. Next, the unit of surface area is square unit. Curved surface area is nothing to find the outer side of the shapes alone. Total surface area is nothing to find the outer surface and inner surface area of the shape. Totally, we should find top, bottom, outer surface, inner surface, everything we should find in a total surface area. Next one is volume. Volume itself quantity. Quantity is nothing, quantity of 3-dimensional space occupied by a 3D object, which means I'll take 1 liter water bottle. The volume of the water bottle is 1 liter because 1 liter water only can take. 2 liter can able to take, it is not possible. So 1 liter is the volume of the water bottle. First one, I'll take right circular cylinder. Now we are going to see the formula. First formula is right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder, it's a shape like this only. The shapes you are getting from rectangle. How could you get these shapes? If you are folding rectangular sheet, the length will change as a base of circle, breadth will change as a height. So L into B means length. Base of the circle is 2. Base of the circle is 2 pi r. Breadth will change as a height. So h. 2 pi r into h. This is the first formula. CSA of right circular cylinder. Square unit is must. TSA formula is nothing. Same thing. Base 2 pi r as it is we should write. Height going to change. I already told you. Outer surface area alone find is curved surface area. Total surface area we should find inner side also, which means height is here, radius, so h plus r. So h plus r. 2 pi r into h plus r. Next, volume formula is nothing. The base area with height. Area of the circle is pi r square into h. Unit is cubic unit. Hollow cylinder is nothing. Hollow cylinder same thing. Radius alone changed because here single radius. Here double radius. One for biggest radius, another one for smaller radius. So one for bigger radius is nothing. So radius r, caps r. So r plus caps r. We should replace 2 pi r plus caps r into what? What is it at? H, height, into height. Next one is total surface area of hollow cylinder. How could you get? I already told you height. Not only in height, outer surface area, inner area also we should see. Height is 2, height is 1, height is there, radius is 2, radius is there. The extension of small r is caps r. So small r is very small, so that is repeated. So how could you do? Again write it as it is 2 pi small r plus caps r. H is going to change up. So height h plus caps r minus small r. How could you write? The small r is repeated. Caps r is the extension of small r is caps r. The small r is again and again repeated, means we should subtract once. The unit is square unit. The volume of the hollow cylinder is nothing. Here the pi r square h. So only one radius is there. But here 2 radius is there. The radius is repeated. That case is only pi into caps r square minus small r square into h. The unit is cubic unit. Right circular cone. Right circular cone is nothing. Cone shapes comes from circle. So if you are folding circle sheet paper, you will get cone. And then you will get the main point slanting height L. The base is circle. The base is circle, half of the circle. So half of the circle means pi r into L. Okay, wow. This is for CSA of right circular cone. TSA of right circular cone, how could you write? Means L is the outer layer alone. What is the inner layer? R. So, pi r into L plus R. Square unit. Next, the volume is the cylinder. 1/3 part is cone. So, 1/3 part of pi r square into h. Next one is sphere. This is the sphere. Sphere has a 4 section. For example, orange. If you peel the orange, you will get 4 section. One section going to pi r square. So here pi r square, here pi r square, here pi r square, here pi r square. So totally 4 side means 4 pi r square. Sphere is a special shape because curved surface area, total surface area, both are same according to the sphere. 4 pi r square. The unit is square unit. The volume of the sphere is 4/3 part. This shape is 4/3 part and the formula is pi r cube. Why I am writing pi r cube means this is a 3-dimension shape. How could you do this? Suppose you will take one bangle and you can circle it. You know this, that is a 3-dimension shapes. And for example, volleyball, sphere, okay, football, everything is sphere shape. In this case is only sphere is a special shape. Hemisphere. Half of the sphere is hemisphere. Half of the sphere is hemisphere means here 4 pi r square means here half is 2 pi r square into square unit. So this total surface area alone going to change. It is nothing. This base alone 2 pi r square. This base alone 2 pi r square. What about this circle? Area of the circle is pi r square. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square is 3 pi r square. Next one is unit, square unit as it is we should write. Hollow hemisphere. Hollow hemisphere is nothing. Just we are going to write the formula. R square. Right? How many are? Only single R. Here how many are? Double R. So 2 pi caps R small r. Caps R square plus small r square square unit. That's all. But in the TSA of hollow hemisphere, we cannot write easily. We are going to do some changes because the biggest radius, the small r is the extension of small r is the caps r. So it is repeated. We should do some changes. What changes means? I'll write this small r square now. I'll write caps r square because outer layer is caps r square. Right? Plus inner side is pi r square. If you are taking pi is a common, this formula 3 pi plus 3r plus r square. This is the formula. This one formula. Next one, frustum. Everybody know this frustum shapes bucket. But this frustum shapes have a special tricks. Because cone is there. Cone top part is very sharp. Frustum top part is very flat. So the radius only changed. Everything is same. Height everything is same. How could you write this formula? Pi into, How many r? Caps r, small r. Here, only one r. Caps r, small r into L. So this formula, same ditto from this formula, but how could you do? Replace radius value. Replace radius value, how could you do? Means, there is one step. Already I told the starting session itself, I told you, you should do total surface area, some procedure. Outer surface area, inner surface area, top side, bottom side. So, pi r plus r into L, outer surface area. Outer surface area is caps r square. Inner surface area, small r square. So, formula is pi into caps r plus small r into L plus caps r square plus small r square. This is the formula, and the unit, square unit is must. Volume formula. First term volume formula is nothing. Here pi r square h. So here also pi into r only going to change. Caps r square plus small r square into h. Cubic unit. Now this part over. This part over. Next part is cube. Cube. This is the net shape of cube. Net shape of cube. Next one is, this is a cuboid shape of cube. If you open the cube box, you'll get this shapes. If you open that cuboid box, you'll get this shapes. Next, each and every side is same, because cube shape, each and every side is square shape. So each and every side is same. A means A. This everything is A. So area of square formula is A square. Here A square, here A square. So totally A square only. Curved surface area means this outer part alone we are going to see, not top and not bottom. So outer part means fold it. If you are fold this one, you will get this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1A square, 2A square, 3A square, 4A square. Next one is, side one is the 2. If you close that top and bottom part. So 4A square plus A square plus A square. 6A square. This is the formula of cube. Volume, how could you write? Volume is 3 dimension, we already know. So here A means, what is 3 dimension? Cube. So A cube. Next one is cuboid. Cuboid is nothing. Curved surface area alone we are going to see. Curved, if you are placing that rectangular box, you will see only for length height. 2 length height, 2 breadth height. 2 length height, 2 breadth height. This part only are going to see. So in this case is 2 length breadth, 2 breadth height means 1, 2, 3, 4 parts only. So here only 2. This you are going to write 2HL plus 2BH. Here 2H is a common, so I'll take separately. So 2H is a common means L plus B only, square unit. This is the formula of curved surface area. TSA is nothing. It is very easy. So here LH, 2LH. Next, I'll write here. Here LB, 2LB. Here BH, 2BH. So totally 2 is a common. LB, BH plus LH. Square unit. 2 into LB plus LH plus BH into square unit. Total surface area. Volume. How many dimension? L, B, H. 3 dimension. L, B, H cubic units. Okay, now we are going to see as a benefits parts. Benefits parts is nothing. This is surface area. First we studied for surface area and volume formula. For tricks we are going studied. What are the tricks we studied? So while if replacing by r by caps r plus small r. H replaced by h plus caps r minus small r. Here we are studied with the help of diagram slanting height. Here also replacing. Next one, CSA formula. There is a special function sphere. 4 pi r square. CSA, TSA both are common only in sphere shapes. MS sphere is here 2 pi r square. Why we are writing 3 pi r square means here top floor is one circle is there. We should take top also. So 2 pi r square plus 1 pi r square is 3 pi r square. Hollow MS sphere is nothing. Here 2 radius is there. So caps r square plus small r square. 2 pi into caps r square plus small r square. Next one is formula. TSA formula total area. Here one area and here one area. So 3 cap. Why I am writing caps r means the largest radius is caps r. So we should write caps r first. 3 caps r square plus pi r square plus equal to pi is a common. So 3 caps r square plus r square. And then first term is like a bucket shape. So pi into the r only going to change with the help of cone. Next one, here first term TSA formula. This is the volume of the formula. Each and every area is having a square unit must. Each and every volumes have a cube unit must. Next, this is the cube and cuboid formula. One for curved surface area formula. This is a CSA of curved surface area formula is 4a square. TSA of cube 6a square. Volume is a cube. CSA of cuboid is 2h into L plus B. TSA of the cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Volume is L into B into H. Cubic unit. These three only we have studied. Okay, so these three sections only we have studied. Now the benefits of tricks to recall surface area and volume formula is nothing. We can easily recollect 10 to 20 formula, 30 to 40 formula also at a time. It is easily remember. It will never ever forgot in our lifetime. First thing, and it is easy to calculate to do the sum. 10 student, it is very useful for you, and you please note this one. Next one, summarize part is nothing, and we already studied what is surface area. Surface area classified by two types, one for CSA, another one for TSA. What is CSA? I already explained. TSA also explained. The unit of surface area is square unit. The unit of square area is square unit. Volume unit is cubic unit. And we studied the formula right circular cylinder. We studied the formula right circular cylinder, hollow cylinder, right circular cone, hemisphere, hollow hemisphere, frustum, sphere. These 7 formulas we studied. What are the formulas we studied? CSA, TSA, volume. Surface area and volume of right circular cylinder, hollow cylinder, right circular cone, sphere, hemisphere, hollow hemisphere, frustum. One more session we are to study. Here cube and cuboid both we are studied. So in this session is completely based to tricks to recall surface area and volume formula. The summarization part is over. If you have a time, you can practice this formula. It will helpful for you. Thank you. Thanks to watching this video.